welcome back to my channel. It's your girl here, Kuzi J, and I'm back again with another video. If you're new here, welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe, and do like. And if you're a returning subscriber, my honeys, welcome back, besties. So in today's channel, in today's video, I just decided to film guys. I don't know whether how many days to maybe it's another few days in my life because today is Tuesday. The 6th of June. I nearly said January. So yeah. So yeah, guys. I did this clip. So guys, these are from Food Lovers Market, I think so. They costed focus minimum. They costed 471. These are not the only ones. We bought 2 tomatoes, Doritos, that thing. And since I was hungry, then I bought these. Then okay, I'm not gonna lift this thing up. Then we bought this combo, which is 7 kg of potatoes, carrots, butternut, onions, and inachi. Then from Checkers we bought this thing, Max fragrance what this thingy sunlight. Then we bought Eros spaghetti, macaroni, then this flavor cubes. We bought this. This is not my third because I don't need something with milk. Then we bought, as well as this thing. That was it. Yeah, then as for here, we bought, then we bought chicken. I think this chicken was for 200 rands and mince. Yeah, that's okay. So guys, as you have seen, I've already done packing the groceries. So now I'm in my room, just decided to rest. Then after that, I'm gonna go study. I've already ate the chicken and chips that I showed you all, and yeah. So right now I'm snacking on nachi. I took 3 nachos because I've been craving for nachi for a while now. I think it's been 3 weeks craving for it, but then procrastinating to go buy it. Yeah. So yeah, I also have this buddy here, not my fave, but then it's gonna keep me through because I'm writing tomorrow and I have to be done. Tomorrow is Wednesday, the 7th of June, so I need to be done with today. I have to be done. Okay, I'm gonna study. Then after my exam tomorrow, I'll have, it's either today or tomorrow, I have to submit an assignment, my psychology assignment. I have to submit my sociology assignment. I have to submit my computer literacy assignment because this weekend I'm not gonna be home. So I have to be done with that because they due Monday. So yeah, guys. But then Monday I'm gonna be back. At least if I could start that computer literacy thingy, it's computer literacy advanced. Then I know for surely that I'm gonna be done. Yeah, I'm gonna be done. If I started then completed on Monday, I'm gonna be done. But then for now, I have to start that. Then on Thursday, I'm writing another exam, my last exam. Then yeah, I'm gonna be yeah. Exactly. Yeah. So today I have to study, finish it, then write tomorrow. Wednesday I have to start complete those assignments, and then at least 2 of those assignments. Then write on Thursday. Thursday start another assignment, the computer literacy advanced. Then yeah. So right now let me eat, drink the drink. Then after that, I'm gonna rest for a while. Maybe at 5 o'clock I'm gonna start studying. Then tomorrow at 9 o'clock I'm writing. So yeah, let's do that. Bye yo. Hey guys, welcome back to yet another clip. Okay, man. To yet another clip. Yeah, I last vlogged. I think I was grocery what grocery haul whatsoever. But yeah, I think that was the last clip. Yeah, guys, I am not well. I'm tired mentally. Like, yeah, mentally, I am tired. Tired. At this point, no amount of energy drink, no amount of brain supplement or mental supplement will help me. I am very, very tired. But yeah, we're gonna push through because tomorrow is my last exam. So yeah, as I told you all, I'm writing for 4 modules. So yeah, I'm writing 4 modules. The fifth one was assessment. So there's no need for going to campus and writing it. So yeah. Then what else? What else? Yeah. So right now I'm making some food. In fact, I'm making fries, potato chips, whatever you want to call it. I'm doing that. Yesterday, for today's exam, Yesterday, I only studied for 1 hour, 2 hours only. Then I went to sleep because, as I told you, I'm mentally tired. Like, I'm ready to sleep for a whole week. I'm ready to sleep for a whole week. Um, in fact, for the whole week, nyani. And yeah, just chill, do nothing, because at this point of life, our guys, I'm tired. Like, I really want to sleep because at this point, it's not it. So yeah, I wrote the assignment, yeah, psychology, the essay, what. I'm done with it, but then I haven't typed it out. And so the only thing that's left is for me to type it. Then yeah, I'm gonna be done. So right now I'm busy doing um rice, you know. So yeah, it's like that. And I am busy editing. There's a vlog from last week that I have to upload by the end of today or tomorrow. I'm not sure. I might upload it today and then schedule it to also, or do it tomorrow. You know, yeah. Since tomorrow is Thursday, because today it's Wednesday, so I might as well do that. So yeah, guys, let me show you all what I'm doing before they bang. So yeah, as I was saying, I'm lazy to cook. In fact, there's no water. So yeah, guys, if I wanna cook, like, there's no water, we did not buy water, we did not yeah, we did not do anything for bana spend amanzi, and we did not know whether amanzi azawumka namhlanje. So yeah, I could not cook. So yeah, gebethunana, I did not cook. What am I saying? I told you guys, and we break down JT, but then yeah. So today I'm lazy to cook, so yeah, I did not. I'm not in the mood to cook, and Nalaman's ngapakoko helped me to not cook because yesterday I was trying to take an excuse about why didn't have But then yeah, maybe tomorrow I'll cook. Yeah, I'll see, because since it's my last exam and I'll be done with my assignments. Not all of my assignments, because Google computer literacy, something about a presentation, if I'm doing, guys, I'm not in the mood for that. I haven't looked at it, but then as I hear from the group, Ndonto in school group, there's this thingy you have to present. Yo, guys, wow. I'm not in the mood. Like, my brain is painful at this part. It is painful because I'm tired to think. I'm tired. There's flu that wants to come back. Like, guys, why? I don't understand, because this year I've been sick, like, from January. In fact, not from January, from last year December. The last week of December, I was not well. Like, I had severe headaches. And this is Fumana and go, but then they are better. Like, each and every month I get sick. I don't know why I get sick, but then I don't know. Maybe this is not my hair, because the last fever or flu that I had, that South Africa now is having, if when you don't have that flu, now you are lucky, because that flu when it nearly killed me. In some point, it nearly killed me. Not in some point, it nearly killed me. In fact, it nearly killed me, because the reason why I went to the doctor, I was not gonna go to the doctor because I've already went to the pharmacy for over the counter medication. But hey, as I was drinking this medication, I saw, man, I'm getting worse instead of getting better. Then this day, okay, let me go check these things. I could not breathe, right? I could not breathe at all. So guys, like, ukubona ungakwazi uphefumula. So I could not breathe that day. That made me to go to the doctors, like I could feel myself, man. Hey, my body, in fact my soul is leaving my body. Like I'm gonna lift soulless, if that's a word though. But then I was rushed to the doctor because I did not want to go to the hospital and guys, to collect more. Because I think the last time I went to the hospital, it was in 2021 after my final exam. Like right the day of my final exam, I was admitted. So yeah. So okay, guys, I nearly died because of flu. So right now, umdoti le flu guys, you are so lucky because I'm not a person that goes out most of the time, right? In fact, not most of the time. I go when it's needed for me to go out. Like I can lock myself in the house for the whole day. Only, make something to eat, then go back to my room. Make something to eat, go back to my room. Like now, I don't mind staying at home, watch movies, work at home, do everything at home. Like I'm finding home besides of school. Like I come back from school, yeah. I don't do that. Like Nasep Suku, I don't go out.